Florence, Alabama. Cracker Barrel over there. Lowe's. Krispy Kreme. Don't forget Bojangles right over there. Just a whole bunch of stuff, you know. Once you go, see that red light on there? Once you get to that, it turns into a different story. Like businesses and everything everywhere. You see what I mean when you get to the red light there? Just a lot of businesses way down there. But I'm already over here because the red box ain't got my movie. And I'm close to Tennessee, so I might as well go play a ticket and go pick up the winning ticket of the lotto. That's what I'm gonna go do. Why not? I'm already over here. But yeah, look, there's a lot of businesses, a lot of stuff. Florence, Alabama. You can see. Where would this road take us, Michael? It will take us to Killen, Alabama, Athens, Alabama, Huntsville. It's like a long stretch. You see all these things? Oh, it's about to turn all into woods. God, I want one of those so bad. I want me a brand new little camper so I can travel with an F-250 diesel. Yep, gotta go get the lottery ticket, the winning ticket. Yep, still in Florence, Alabama. Look at that truck over there, F-250. They sell boats and motorcycles over there. They got boats over there. It's very, very cloudy. Yeah, like you see the sky on the top. All right, so this right here, I'm going that way. That way is Tennessee. That road's going to take me to Tennessee. If I go that way, it will be Athens, Killen, Huntsville, Alabama, you know, and keep going, you know, go Birmingham all the way down there. So, yeah, we're heading to Tennessee. Remember, we got to go get the winning ticket. It's waiting for us. The universe say, yo, go get your ticket. So I'm like, okay, I got it. Here we go. Don't worry, I'm not looking on the phone. I only look at the phone when my truck is parked. There's a car right there broken. Oh, Volkswagen, what do you expect? For it to be running on the road? Believe me, I'm a mechanic. I've fixed plenty of those pieces of junk. Don't buy one. Major electronic problems. Stay tuned for the next video.